Today I will show you how to make 8 Roblox accessories for your dolls, and I will show you how to get the egg hat from the game My Droplets. Let's get started. When you first come to the game, you must choose a pet and name it. Then you must complete the challenge, which is collecting flowers for this bunny. The challenge is pretty easy. Let's head to the neighborhood for the first flower. And then give the flower to the bunny. The next flower is behind the cafe. Give the flower to the bunny. The third flower is by the port. The fourth is by the pet shop. Give the flower to the bunny. The fifth one is behind the farm. The last flower is right behind the toy store. Give the flower to the bunny. After the bunny gets all the flowers, you are awarded this hat, which you can use on your Roblox avatar. Like this. Next we will make a few crafts for your dolls. Let's make a cat mask using foam and a small elastic. Next let's make an eye patch again using foam and a small elastic. Now let's make glasses using foam and a small piece of plastic. Let's make a flower hairpin using foam, paint and wire. Next a hair extension using hair, a decorative element and wire. To make a crown let's use foam, paint and a small plastic gem. Make a cat headband by using foam glue and a circular object. And that's it. Well, I hope that you enjoyed my video and don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.